Hey guys, RJ here. Yesterday you saw my review on the JVC of blah 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 blah, the Vario. I messed up on the name yesterday. Okay, it was a really nice camera, but it had crappy quality because it's not meant for YouTube. I guess it's a family camera. Waste of money. Anyway, I went back to the store. I exchanged it for this little pretty right here. You may have seen it on my other video on RJ Fire. It's a Sanyo Xacti or Xacti. It's the red. So yeah, I'm gonna open this up. Actually, you know what? I'll just tell you so far what it does. It has 9MP photos, HD 720p video, ×5 optical zoom, high speed blah 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 blah, sequential shot, face chaser, that's cool. Having fun? Yeah. Digital stabilizer, waterproof for 5 feet. I'm not even gonna bother with that. Oh, 2.5-inch LCD monitor. Okay, let's just open it. Let's open it. Let's open it. Okay, I'm having trouble. One second. Okay, I'm back. I got it open. Yeah, here we go. So as you see, it has software disk, manuals and such, receipts. Comes with a strap-a-dap, a white case, AV cords, USB, thingamajiggy, a battery charger. The battery's already inside. It comes with it. That's pretty cool. But it's kind of annoying to get the battery out. That's one thing I don't like about this camera. And nothing else. Alright, nice box too, by the way. So, here is the beauty. Sanyo Xacti. It's not charged. Has a light there for better quality and dark. It's waterproof, like I said. HD, thank God.
There's no garbage.
Okay. The battery pack goes there. Easy menu. Like the menu is right there, and navigation's there. It's a video camera and a picture camera. Second. Power on and off, and play recorded. Has a huge screen. It's nice. Alright, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to RJ Fire and this channel if you like, but mostly RJ Fire. See ya.